Using online banking is a great way for you to manage your Qudos bank accounts from wherever you are. To view your account balances, click the Accounts icon and click on Balances to view the total amount across your saving and transaction accounts. It's important that you register for QSafe SMS so you can use the functionalities available via online banking. To set up, click the Settings icon and select QSafe SMS from the drop-down menu. Select the phone number you want to use to register for QSafe SMS. It can be a mobile number or landline. Once you have selected a number, click on Register. A prompt will appear with a Request Code button. Click the button to receive the code. You will either receive the code via SMS or phone call if using a landline number. Enter the code provided and click Continue. Once successful, you will be taken to a page where it will confirm that you have registered for QSafe SMS. Please call our team on 1300 747 747 if you require assistance. To pay a bill using BPay, click the Transfer Pay icon and select BPay from the drop-down menu. Select the Qudos bank account you want the payment to come from and fill in the description, biller code and customer reference number and enter the dollar amount you want to pay. Once you have reviewed the details and they are correct, click the Pay Now button. If you need to pay someone from your Qudos bank accounts, select the Transfer Pay icon and select Pay Someone from the drop-down menu. You can pay someone by using their Pay ID or bank account. In this example, we will show you how to pay someone using their bank account. Click on the person you want to pay or select someone new if it is a new contact. Fill in their account name, BSB and account number. Once complete, select Next. You will be taken to a summary page to the person you're paying to. Please ensure that you check that the account name, BSB and account number is correct. Once you have checked, select the Qudos bank account you want to transfer from and enter the dollar amount. Include a description of the account if you wish. Fill in the person's email notification, reference and payee nickname. Once you have completed the fields, click Next to proceed in making payment. A summary of the payment transfer will pop up. Ensure you review the details and the amount you're paying, as we don't check the details of the payee. If something doesn't look right, click the Back button to edit. If they are all correct, click the Confirm button to proceed with payment. To transfer between your Qudos bank accounts, click the Transfer Pay icon and select Transfer from the drop-down menu. Choose the accounts you want to transfer to and from and enter an amount you wish to move over. You can also provide a reference if you wish. Once you have completed the fields, click on the Pay Now button. You will then be taken to a confirmation page where it will outline details of your transfer. Once you have reviewed and ensured that they are correct, click on Confirm. For more information on how to use online banking, visit our website at qdosbank.com.au/FAQs.